These are crossbar locks. All of them are double-sided. They can be one-sided also, and accordingly their key is with the notches on one side. They look different. They are flat and this kind. They are wider and thinner ones. And there is a key that goes straight in, turns and pulls back. That is reverse. They all can be opened with touch hooks. There are two hooks, thinner and thicker. What's the point? We pull the door on ourselves or push. The crossbar rigels are pressed against the door lid, and we turn the lock by hook. The pressed door lid does not allow the rigel bolt to come back, so in turns. Or if it is single row, then it is quite simple. There, literally in seconds it can be opened. You can see the price on our website. Bye.